Data visualization in AI. Data visualization in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI systems often work with large datasets. To understand these datasets, developers and data scientists use data visualization. Data visualization helps convert raw numbers and data into visual formats such as charts and graphs. These visual representations make it easier to understand patterns in data, identify trends, detect anomalies, communicate insights clearly. Data visualization is an important step in data analysis, machine learning, and AI development. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the process of representing data using visual elements such as charts, graphs, and plots. In simple words, data visualization equals turning data into visual graphics. Example concept. Dataset means visualization means insights. Visualizing data helps humans understand information much faster than reading numbers alone. Why data visualization is important in AI. Data visualization plays an important role in AI development. It helps developers explore datasets, detect patterns, identify outliers, evaluate model performance. Example concept. Raw data means visualization means pattern detection. Understanding data visually often leads to better machine learning models. Example dataset. Consider a dataset showing sales numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Instead of reading numbers directly, the data can be displayed using a chart, making trends easier to observe. Common types of data visualization. Several types of visualizations are commonly used in AI and data science. Bar chart. A bar chart displays data using rectangular bars. Example. Product sales. A100, B150, C200. Example concept. Categories means bar chart means comparison. Bar charts are useful for comparing values across categories. Line chart. A line chart shows how values change over time. Example dataset. Month sales. Jan 100, February 120, Mar 150. Example concept. Time data means line chart means trend analysis. Line charts are commonly used for time series data. Histogram. A histogram shows the distribution of numerical data. Example concept. Dataset means histogram means frequency distribution. Histograms help visualize data spread, clusters, distribution shapes. This is useful for understanding data distributions before training AI models. Scatter plot. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables. Example dataset. Study hours exam score 240, 460, 680. Example concept. Two variables means scatter plot means relationship. Scatter plots help detect correlations between variables. Data visualization libraries in Python. Several Python libraries are commonly used for visualization in AI. Popular tools include Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Pandas visualization tools. These libraries allow developers to create charts and graphs easily. Example Python visualization. Example using Matplotlib. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Data equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. PLT. Plot. Data. PLT. Title. Simple data trend. PLT. Show. This code generates a simple line chart showing the trend in the dataset. Visualization tools help data scientists quickly understand datasets. Data visualization in machine learning. Visualization is often used in early stages of machine learning. Example workflow. Dataset means visualization means feature analysis means model training. Visualization helps determine which features are important. how data is distributed, whether preprocessing is needed, visualizing model results. Data visualization is also used to evaluate machine learning models. Example uses accuracy charts, confusion matrices, prediction graphs. Example concept: model predictions means visualization means performance evaluation. This helps developers understand how well the AI model is performing. Real-world applications. Data visualization is widely used in many AI applications. Business analytics. Companies visualize sales trends and customer behavior. Healthcare. Doctors visualize patient data and medical trends. Financial markets. Analysts visualize stock price movements. AI research. Researchers visualize model performance and training results. Concepts learned from data visualization. Understanding data visualization helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to explore datasets visually. Checkmark how to identify trends and patterns. Checkmark how to communicate data insights clearly. Visualization is a core skill in data science, AI, and analytics. Simple definition. Data visualization in AI. The process of representing datasets using charts and graphs so that patterns and insights can be easily understood. Final summary. Data visualization is an essential tool in artificial intelligence and data science. It converts raw data into visual formats such as bar charts, line graphs, histograms, and scatter plots. Visualization helps developers explore datasets, identify patterns, detect anomalies, and evaluate machine learning models. By presenting information visually, data scientists can better understand complex datasets and build more effective AI systems. Understanding data visualization is an important step for anyone learning AI, machine learning, and data science.